What if God is unhappy with our praise? What if He is not pleased with the words we say? What if He takes away His love and His Spirit from above? What if God is unhappy with our praise? What if God is unhappy with the way we live? What if He is not pleased with the way we give? What if He takes away His love and His Spirit from above? What if God is unhappy with our praise? We must change the way we walk. We must change the way we talk. We must live a life that's pleasing to our King. We must read God's holy word. Let His praises be heard. Lord, just be pleased with our praise. We must change the way we walk. We must change the way we talk. We must live a life that's pleasing to our King. We must read God's holy word. Let His praises be heard. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased with our praise, 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 with our praise. We must change the way we walk. We must change the way we talk. We must live a life that's pleasing to our King. We must read God's holy word. Let His praises be heard. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased. Lord, just be pleased with our praise, 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 with our
Amen. I keep telling you all that Sister Doreen has a prayer life because her songs are always in my message. Amen.